Yeah, in my opinion, I think it's a pretty nerdy thing, especially when your stock machine comes pretty decked out and sufficient. Yeah, basically, pretty much sufficient. I did need to add more SSD storage because eventually the disk runs out of space. But in terms of the memory utilization, uh, basically the utilization's underutilized. So the RAM, basically the RAM is the amount of RAM I put into the machine is sort of overkill compared to the utilization. The what I think was most useful in basically upgrading the laptop PC is putting in additional SSDs, storage space. If you're doing video editing or something like that, uh, basically um, basically storage space runs out real quick. So the three separate SSDs that was pretty helpful. Basically, but otherwise, in terms of the memory, yeah, I think nerds like to max out their machines. Yeah, there's a tendency. Well, if your machine hasn't reached full maximal potential, it's kind of a nerdy thing to to max out, in my opinion.